Welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a personalized email to a list of employee. So I have the list of employee here. I have different names and I have the increment amount that I need to mention on the email to each one of them on their salary. So let's try this out. I will click send emails. And here it is. You can see each email is getting created with the employee name and the increment on his salary. So basically that will be a very simple tutorial, so it will be easy for you to follow. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my file open here. I have my data here, the employee name and the salary and the increment amount. And that is the email body that I need to send to those employee lists. Okay. And that's the subject. And I created a link or a button already here. So I can link the macro to this button later on. Okay, so first of all, before doing anything, I need to save this file as macro enable workbook. So I will go to file, save as, and I will select from the drop menu here, macro enabled workbook. Then I'll click save. Then I will open my VBA window by clicking on Alt and F11. Okay, here I need to insert a new module. Okay, and I will name this macro as, let's say, bulk emails. Okay. First of all, I need to make sure that the word reference library is already marked, and as well the Outlook Office library. So let's see here. Microsoft Outlook 16.0 object library, and I have also Microsoft Word here. Microsoft Word 16.0 object library. Of course, the version here, it will be different on your screen, depend on which version of Microsoft you are using on your machine. Okay, so in order to start our code, I need to declare some variables. So I will name OL as Outlook dot application, and I will name OLM as Outlook dot item. And also there's another properties that I need to reference to, that will be the inspector, them inspect, okay, as Outlook dot inspector. And I will need to declare also a variable for Microsoft Word documents. So them WD as Word dot document. Then I will set my OL to equal, I will set OL here to equal new Outlook. Okay. Now let's see here. The idea here, it's to loop through all of these cells to get the name and to get the email address, okay, and to get the increment amount in the salary. So how to do this? We will be using loop for. Okay, so for R, I will name this loop as R equal, from which cell basically this data is starting. It's starting from cell number 2, second row. Okay, so the second row here, that's number 2. So I will mark my loop here for R equal starting from 2 to sheet. I need to reference to the sheet where it has this data. This data is set in here in sheet 6, this one here. Okay, So sheet 6 dot cells, open bracket, rows dot count equal, comma, in which column, I will start with column number 1 here, okay? Dot end, then XL up dot row, and I will close the loop here. Next, by typing next. Okay, so basically here, the idea of this one here is to make this script dynamic in order, for example, in case you are adding more employee in this list, so the script will capture those new employee. So that is the reason why I used rows.count first. Okay, and after that I went to till the end of the row, last row in this sheet. Then I clicked XL up from my keyboard. That would be the up arrow, okay, dot row. So here in the loop, for each loop of this, of course, I need to start my Outlook email. Okay, first of all, I forgot to mention here new Outlook dot application. Sorry, and I will set here OLM to equal OL dot create an item. Then I will select from here OL mail item. Okay. Now, first thing that I need to do to our email, I need to copy this range of cells. Okay, this range of cells which it has the email here. Okay, so for me here, the range, it's starting from C4 here and ending to M23. So I will write this here. Actually, before setting the Outlook mail item, okay, I need to take this range copy. So I will reference to my sheet again, sheet 6 dot, sorry, that will be sheet 7, because that's the one that it has the email body. Sheet 7 dot range, we said C4, starting from C4 to, let's confirm, M23. M23, okay. Dot copy. Okay. So for that's mean we already took the email body copy here, and we'll paste this later on inside the email. And after that, we will change the text in this email. Like, for example, I mentioned here the employee name. I will replace this employee name with the employee name from this list here. Okay, and the same for the increment. If you can see here, there's increment. I will increment amount here. I will search for this, then I will replace it with the amount from this list here. Okay, so how we do this? Let's see. Okay, so first of all, I will mention with OLM, because that's inside the mail item, and end with. So instead of writing OLM in each line, we just to combine all of these options under the wins function here. Okay, so dot two, that will be equal sheet 6 dot cells dot r, open bracket r, then in which column, the email setting in column number E, and which number, so let's check here, that's number 5, column number 5 dot value. Okay, then subject dot subject equal, that's inside the email body sheet here, that will be C2. Okay, so sheet 7 dot range C dot value. Okay, and for the HTML format, I need to update the email body to be compatible with the HTML tags. So I will write dot email body format, sorry, equal OL format HTML. Then I will click enter. Okay, so in this case, I need to open the inspector, and I need to open the Word documents here in order to paste the content that we take copy from the first line here. So I will set the inspect to equal olm dot get inspector, and I will set the wd equal inspect dot word editor. Then in the new line, I will write wd dot content dot paste. Okay, and that is our first part of this formula. It's been done already. We already copy the email body from here. We paste it inside the Outlook email, and after that we will do the replacement for these tags that we already highlighted before, the employee name and increment amount. Okay, so I will write here dot html body equal replace. I will use a replace functionality here. Let's open bracket. What I need to replace here, I need to replace the actual HTML body that I already has my content inside at the moment, which it will be this part. So this, it's already inside the HTML body. So I need after that to find the word that I need to replace. That will be employee name, should be between a quotation mark, employee name. Then I need to replace it with what exactly? I need to replace it to the this data setting in this row, the employee name. So this column number 1. So we'll write sheet 6 dot cells open bracket will be R and the column number 1 dot value. And I will close the bracket. Okay, and again, so that's mean first thing I did already, I already replaced the employee name with the actual employee name from this list. So secondly, I need to replace this increment amount also. Okay, so I will write the same thing again, so I can take this copy, stick here, or right here, I will change this to increment amount. And in the same time, I need to check in which column it is. That will be column number 4. Column number 4. Okay. Oh, one more thing I forgot to do here before setting the inspect. Okay, to paste our content inside the email, I need to display our email first. So don't display, and everything it should be working fine here. After endways, I can clear some memory by setting the OLM to equal nothing, set the OL to equal nothing, and set the WD equal nothing also. So that's basically our code here. Let's see. Let's see if it will work fine for us or not. Okay, so let's try here. I will press F8 from my keyboard here. Go through the script. Okay, so after first of all, we already set the Outlook here down. Okay, then I took this range copy. Then I created the Outlook email inside the loop. Okay, so let's see next. To subject and format display. Now let's see. So the email it's been displayed here. Okay, something went off. So let's see what it is. So let's go through the script to see if everything is fine here. First of all, I did one mistake here. I set all of these things to nothing inside the loop. So that's why we had the error that we have seen early. So I fixed this already. Okay. So let's try this script here. I'll click run. And here it is. The emails, it's been personalized already with the employee name and the increment amount here. Okay, so let's close this all. And let's assign this macro that we have made to this button here, assign macro, bulk emails, then okay. So let's say, for example, I have one more employee I need to add here. That will be my name, for example. ABC Grain, or his salary 25,000, for example. I wish if I have this salary. So that is the increment, and that's my email, the number. Okay. So let's try. So that's mean we already add one more row here to our data. So let's see if our script will capture this one also or no. So I will click send again. And here it is. My name is being captured also along with the increment. So that's how you can create a dynamic mail merge with a personalized email message. Okay, so that's basically all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up if you like the video. And please do not forget to click the bell button in order to receive the new updates from my channel. Okay, thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.